So taxes can be overwhelming. It's that time of year again when we ask ourselves, should I pay someone to do my taxes? Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chase and this is a penny pincher's guide to personal finance. In this video, we're going to focus on if you should pay your own taxes or not. So if you like videos like this, and hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to give out some more video on exactly how to do your taxes and also how to get free tax submissions without having to pay to do your taxes. Let's jump right into the video. So let's break it down. Doing your taxes yourself can save you money, but it's time consuming and it can be stressful. On the other hand, hiring a professional can ease your burden, but it comes with a cost. So if you have a straightforward tax situation like a simple W-2 or a standard deduction, doing it yourself might be a good option. There are online tax software programs that can guide you through the process step by step. It's convenient and often cheaper than paying a professional. Now, this option is the simplest and it will be for the majority of the people out there. There are a bunch of great options out there that work well like TurboTax, H&R Block, and even the IRS Free File system. Now, each one of these has its own benefits, but if you want to know how to file for free, then we have a full guide on how to do this that will be linked below as well as at the top and at the end of this video. Now, for me personally, I've used TurboTax over the past few years and I've been very happy with it. My information has been copied forward from the previous tax forms into my new ones for each year. And when I come back, it makes it more simple for me to do my taxes. Another big thing about TurboTax is that it allows me to be able to upload all my tax documents that I received either from my mortgage or from my work. And I just upload those and then auto puts all of the amounts in there for me. I just gotta double check that it's all correct. Now, this process is very simple for me and it makes it easy. All I have to do is drag and drop the documents over and I don't have to talk to anybody in particular. It's just me and the software getting the taxes done. So if that's something that you're looking for and you don't want to have to deal with talking to somebody, then using one of these online tax softwares is probably going to be the best bet for you. It's quick, it's simple, and it's going to be for the majority of the people out there. Now for me, I plan to continue to use one of these tax services like TurboTax, especially because more and more of them out there are now offering audit protection that's going to help you out in case you ever do get audited. Now, on the other hand, if you have a financial situation that is a little bit more complex, it has multiple different sources of income, there's investments, or if you are self-employed, then it might be wise to delegate this task to a tax professional. Now, the majority of these tax professionals will have the expertise to navigate and to go around the intricate parts of the tax laws and ensure that you have maximum deductions and credits. So if you're one of those people that are a little bit more unsure and you have a couple different sources of income that's coming along with it, then it might be worth to look into finding a tax professional that can do your taxes for you. You're going to have a little bit more cushion associated with it. They'll be able to ask you all the questions that they may want to ask you, and you won't have to have any more guessing associated with taxes or wondering if you did them right. And then furthermore, a tax professional can provide valuable advice and help you plan for the future, which is something that you're not necessarily going to get from TurboTax. As well as they can strategize with you to minimize your tax liability, and they also allow you to avoid potential audits or penalties because they are the tax professional. And then, just like I was talking about earlier with TurboTax and the audit protection, the tax professional will also be on your side as you get audited, which would be a nice thing to have in your back of your pocket if it ever happens, because then you have a specific person that you can go and talk to that's going to help you out with your taxes. Now, whether you decide to go with a tax online software or a tax professional, before you go making a decision, you're going to need to consider your time, your expertise, and your peace of mind when you're making that decision. If the benefits of having a professional handle your tax outweigh the cost, then it might be worth it in the long run. But if yours is more simple and you can just upload your documents, then going online with a tax software might be best for you. In the end, there's no right or wrong answer, and it all depends on your individual circumstances. Whatever you choose, make sure that you stay organized and you gather all your necessary documents to make the process that much smoother moving forward. Hope you got some good information from this video. We'll be putting out more on exactly how you can do your taxes if you plan to do them by yourself, filling out those forms, and learning exactly what to do and to place into what particular box. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and remember that we are here from your first penny to your first million. We'll see you next time.